Assalamu alaikum friends. Once again I will welcome to all of you to my new channel. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about the tense. That what is tense, what is the meaning of tense, okay, and the main branch of tense and plus sub branch of tense. Dear friends, if we see or if we want to learn, if we want to get, if we want to speak well in English, so we have to know the tenses, okay, the main branch of the tense and the sub branches of the tense. We have to know these all, okay. If we want to, for example, increase or improve our okay, writing skill, okay, reading skill, speaking skill, or means if we want to know English, so we have to know these okay, these things. Dear friends, let's come, okay, that what is tense. Dear friends, tense, the word tense means zamana. The word tense mean zamana, okay. Tense has been derived from Latin word tempus, okay. Tense, okay, has been derived from Latin word, okay, tempus. टेंस जो है लैटिन वर्ड टिम्पस से निकला हुआ है, ठीक है। इसका मतलब जो है टाइम और एज। द मीनिंग ऑफ टेंस और टिम्पस इज टाइम और एज। डियर फ्रेंड्स, you know that what is time and what is age. You people know this, okay. Dear friends, we can say, if we want to define it, we can say that tense has been derived from Latin word tempus, which means time or age. So dear friends, okay, mostly in if we talk, okay, about the means primary classes, okay, these questions, this two questions will be asked to the students. One is how many main branches of the tense and how many sub branches of the tense. Dear friends, after seeing this video, inshallah you will get these both question, be okay, the answer of both questions. Dear friends, uh, there are three main branches. How many? Three main branches of the tense. Three main branches. What are, okay, what are they? One is present tense, okay, you know that the present mean maujuda. Next one is past. Past mean, okay, जो एक्शन, ओके, जो टाइम वो गुजरा हुआ है, मीन द थिंग विच वी डिड इन पास्ट, द एक्शन विच हैपेंड. एंड द थर्ड वन इज फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर का मतलब होता है, आप लोगों को पता है कि आपका फ्यूचर खराब हो जाएगा, ये हम लोग डेली बोलते हैं ना. एक डायलॉग है कि आप नहीं पढ़ोगे तो आपका फ्यूचर का क्या बनेगा. इसका मतलब है कि फ्यूचर का मतलब मुस्तकबिल. फ्यूचर का मतलब मुस्तकबिल. So dear friends, three main branches of the tenses are there, okay. So there each and every, okay, sub branches are there, main branches are there, sorry. They have, okay, what, and sub branches like present tense as, okay, for past for, and also future for. Total how many sub branches? Then 12. For present one, for past ones, and for futures one. Then it's mean total how many they will be, okay, 12. If someone this, okay, I told the answer, okay, I told that, okay. And two questions will be asked to the primary students, not primary, okay. We okay, when I came, okay, in university, okay, while I was reading, okay, okay, these questions were asked to us that, okay, how many main branches and sub branches of tense. Dear friends, okay, these are too much important, and learn them and know them also, okay. Dear friends, I told that, okay, present tense as, okay, four sub branch. Then let's come, okay, that what are they, okay, what are the sub branches of present tense. Dear friends, okay, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous, okay. Likewise, okay, past simple, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Also future is there, okay, it will be likewise, which I shared, which I said to you up, okay, present one or past one, okay. Future we can say that, okay, future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous, okay. There these, okay, sub branches are necessary to know, okay. Means you have to know if you want to improve your English. If you want to know that how, okay, I should speak in English, then you have to know these things. You all know that, okay, in Pakistan, okay, English become much popular, okay. Means in each and every, okay, tests, in each and every paper, okay, the means जो जिस तरह हम बात करें, ठीक है, पाकिस्तान की, यहाँ पे सब क्वेश्चन जो हैं, सब पेपर जो हैं वो इंग्लिश में है, हमें इंग्लिश में सोल्व करने. तो इंग्लिश जानने के लिए, okay, for getting English we have to know the, okay, first one is we have to know part of speech. The next one is, okay, tenses we have to know. Dear friends, it's enough for today, and I hope you will learn from this one. If you didn't get anything, if you got any issue, so please comment, okay, and inshallah I will upload another video, okay, regarding your issues, that which kind of issues, okay, you people, okay, faced, then I will make. Okay, there's Allah Hafiz. Enjoy your life, stay blessed. Thank you.